Nilikuwa curious na gender. I want a boy, I want a girl. Nilikuwa tu all over the place. Nilikuwa na cravia ma ice cream na supu ya nyama. Sikuwa napenda food imepikwa na mafuta. During childbirth, I wasn't with him. Na Bruno naye anasema, mimi nataka mtoto wangu akizaliwa nikuwe hapo nimuone.
I foresaw myself becoming a parent. It's something I always wanted. Hi, my name is Bruno Lennox Adera, artistic name Bruno Reimster. I am a parent and a husband, and also I'm a content creator.
This video is not about playing tennis, so forgive me for the fast footage. Otherwise, Mark Chick 1, Mark Chick 2.
My name is Marianne. On my socials, I go by Miss Mariela, and I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and also a hairdresser and a content creator. I never saw myself becoming a parent. Also, I wasn't ready, but...
I foresaw myself becoming a parent. It's something I always wanted, so I was prepared when it happened.
I realized I was pregnant. Menses zangu zilikuwa accurate. So the time yenye niliona sijanyesha nikamuuliza, beba ama? And alikuwa na behave funny, like alikuwa na clue. Ka feel like impregnant kama mimi sitaki. Nikakasirika, nikaenda ushago kwa my mom. So when I came back ilikuwa Valentine's Day. Hiyo ndo siku yenye tulitest tukiwa pamoja. Ndo nikajua.
Okay, I am the one who knew first. So when she approached asking me about it, nilikuwa na dodge tu hiyo swali, but deep down nilikuwa nishajua somehow nimemess,
What was going through my mind that time, nilikuwa curious na gender, maybe ni mtoto mmoja ama twins. Nilikuwa tu all over the place. Nilikuwa na feel like I want a boy, sometimes I want a girl, and I feel like ama niombe tu Mungu ni bless I have twins, nisiwahi go through hii process tena. Na feel like twins pia ni burden. I was just all over the place.
What was going through my mind, it's time to step up. It's time to show up for my baby girl and my baby on the way.
The steps I took when I realized I was pregnant, I really wanted kuenda antenatal, but nilikuwa nashinda avoid juu niliambiwa ukienda clinic for the first time unadungwa tetanus, na mimi naogopa sindano, but tulimaliza tukaenda. I was really emotional during my pregnancy, and my babe was very supportive. I just used to feel like crying. Nasikia tu hasira, and then I start crying, and I'm grateful because he used to understand.
I was always there kumwambia, hey, chill too, I got this.
Hakuwa nakasirika, alikuwa ananiambia kila kitu itakuwa poa, don't worry.
Her believing in those words, that was like support to me.
During my pregnancy, my first trimester wasn't bad. I was just okay. Sikuwa na craving specific or anything. From the second trimester hadi the third, heartburn, hiyo mguu kuuma.
Lots of cravings.
Yeah, cravings. Nilikuwa na cravia ma ice cream na supu ya nyama. Sikuwa napenda food imepikwa na mafuta. Na kukasirika. Nilikuwa
I was never apologizing.
I was always moody. The knowledge I wish I had before getting pregnant. When I got pregnant, I thought hapo ndo life imeishia. I was just there. Sikuweka effort in anything. Sikujipush kufanya vitu zingine. Kuna vitu ningefanya zenye zingenisaidia, but I wish I knew it's not the end. You can continue doing your stuffs even if you are pregnant, as long as si complicated. When I was nearing delivery, I had crazy thoughts. At some point, hadi nilikuwa nafikiria maybe when I give birth nitakufa. I didn't nafika mahali nauliza my babe, so just in case I give birth and then nikufe, utachukua mtoto ama apelekewe mamangu?
I had to do a lot of encouragement. Alikuwa na a lot of fears.
And I thought sitaweza. After
amenimentionia, ashafikiria ati nikienda hapo hivyo sitatoka, pia mimi torture somehow mentally. So it was a bit scary.
During childbirth, I wasn't with him. I had traveled Ushago. Around 8 months pregnant, I lost my dad. So tulikuwa tumeenda burial. EDD yangu ilikuwa date 7 August. 5th usiku nikaanza kusikia fani. My mom aka-insist, let's just go to the hospital. So we went to the hospital.
That night, actually, myself from the other side in Nairobi, I couldn't sleep.
Daktari akakuja akaniambia ani-induce ndo dilation ifanyike mbio mbio. Within 4 minutes nilikuwa nisha deliver. So I gave birth to my son at 5:44 a.m.
I was away, so we did a video call. So I saw my son first via video call.
Akarukaruka ni karibua.
I was really excited.
So to my son, Heaven, I love you so much. You are one thing that I never thought I wanted, but you are everything I ever needed.
You are the most loved kid in this planet. Never doubt that.
You make me push myself, work harder.
If you'll ever get to lack something, just know it was beyond the limit of your dad, and he did his best. So long as I'm alive, I'll always do my best to make sure you have the best experience from a father, just like I did.
I'm proud of you, and Mommy is always here for you.